Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have a leak on the system, so we took everything out and we tried to do the smoke test. Yeah, this one have to be fixed. Yeah. We don't want anything come out of there. Just call here. Yeah, you need to take that one out. This one better. So take the old one then. You're gonna take the old one back out, right?
Busted, man. This busted here. See behind this, huh?
Yeah. Wow.
Piston behind that clamp there.
Take the clamp out completely.
دخن تو؟
شفت الدخل يمارك بوين؟ دخل يمارك بوين؟
ده بتخرج ذاته؟
بحرك في الرقبة ذات. الرقبة ذات اللي بحرك.
ده يربطه كويس.
لا مكسور.
لأنه هو جاب زي كده.
جاب ده وقال بس. تعرف الخواجية ما شد لنا ساوين بتاعنا. قاعد معهم بيجي بونس وبرقرقوا. أوين قاموا خطوا
دخان بتاعت.
دخان كل قال بقعد معهم.
يا زول قال له يقوم جاري.
Air duct.
The air duct itself. You see how it is? There is no. See.
Dry rotten.
Yeah, dry rotten. So this one here, how far is good?
Yeah.
So let's get that one first.
That's now. I just smoke that.
You see how it is?
I want to smoke the purge.
Look at it.
ده عنده الفتحات ديل كلها منفذة. ده هذا وهذا وعنده باتجاه هنا.
Anything under?
I want to smoke the purge and make sure the purge have a problem.
Okay. Do you have one air duct here? No, we don't have.
I got a fitting for that. See ya. No.
Look.
Here.
It's up now. Zero now. Now zero. Oh, this side is good.
The purge.
Yeah, the purge is good. No leak.
No leak with the purge.
It's zero, no leak, right? The one that come from other side, we don't need to do nothing for it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that piece out, or we're gonna put it back, and we look for that piece. Okay.